Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to take a couple minutes to discuss a common mistake that I hear a lot, and that is the incorrect use of the word haven't, the contraction have not into haven't. Now, a lot of times people will use this incorrectly, and that's simply because they may forget that the word have has different jobs or different uses. Sometimes have is the main verb, and sometimes have is what we call the auxiliary verb or the helper verb. Now, you will know that the word have is the main verb when you don't have another verb in the sentence. For example, I have a son. If I just say I have a son, have is the only verb in the sentence, so have is the main verb of that sentence. However, if I have another verb in that sentence, if I'm using perfect verb tense, have eaten, have written, have read, have driven, I have driven the car many times. I have eaten lunch already. I have written 5 essays for homework. Then a have is actually an auxiliary verb or a helper verb, because the other verb, eat or drive or write, that word is actually the main verb of the sentence. So, if you are wanting to use have in a negative form, you can use haven't only when you are using have as an auxiliary verb or a helper verb. So in other words, if you're using a perfect verb tense and you want to use negative, then you can contract it to haven't. I haven't driven, I haven't eaten, I haven't written. Okay, but if you are using have as the main verb of the sentence, like I have a son, you cannot use haven't to make that a negative sentence. You have to do it just like every other verb and add don't or do not, okay? So you would say, I don't have a son, not I haven't a son. So just a little recap, use haven't when you are using a perfect verb tense and when you are using another verb as your main verb. For example, I haven't eaten lunch, I haven't read that book, I haven't driven the car, I haven't written the essay, okay? But if you are using have as your main verb, then you would need to use don't have to make it negative, okay? I don't have a son, I don't have a car, I don't have money. So I hope that is clear for you. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'd be happy to explain more. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. Bye.